Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Nissan Leaf. Plug level 1 into a standard 120V outlet for overnight charging and expect slower speed but easy setup. For daily driving, choose a level 2 240V charger to reduce charge time and increase convenience. Always verify your home electrical panel capacity, install a dedicated circuit if needed, and follow charger manufacturer instructions for safe installation and charging. Choosing the right charging speed depends on your routine, distance, and time available. Level 1 suits light drivers with overnight windows, while Level 2 is perfect for daily commuters who want full charge by morning. Use DC fast charging sparingly to preserve battery longevity and to quickly regain range on long trips. Monitor charging rates through your Leaf display or app to plan stops and maximize battery health with sensible charging habits. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical EV tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort on long drives or charging stops. I find they make road trips much comfier, and they pair well with long charging waits. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Small habits make a big difference for battery life and convenience. Schedule charging overnight to take advantage of off-peak rates and precondition the car while plugged in to save energy. Limit regular charges to around 80% and avoid dropping below 20% often to protect battery health. Use regenerative braking settings to recapture energy during city driving, and check tire pressure and load to maximize your effective range when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.